If you want to learn how to add text-to-speech on Capcut, then this video will show you step by step.
Alright, to incorporate text-to-speech into your videos, let's start by clicking on the text option here. You'll see the default text appear. Simply click and hold it, then drag it onto your video. Now you can position the text anywhere you like within the video. For demonstration purposes, let's place it at the beginning. Let's proceed to change the text. For instance, let's say something like, "If you want to learn." To add text-to-speech to your video, click on Text-to-Speech here. You'll find various voices to choose from.
If you want to learn.
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 There are numerous voices available, so go ahead and click through them to find the one you prefer. Let's say we'll go with this one for now. Next, click on Start Reading to apply the text-to-speech.
If you want to learn.
Now, when you play the video, you'll hear the text being spoken. Let me demonstrate. You may notice that the text isn't synchronized with the voice. To fix this, let's zoom in and adjust the text length to match the voice. Click and hold the text, then shorten it accordingly. Now, when you play the video again, you'll see the text synchronized with the voice. Let's add another example. Click and hold the text again. Bring it down to your video and write whatever you'd like. For example, how to add text to speech. You can adjust the font size as needed. Once again, click on Text to Speech and select the desired voice. Remember, always click on Start Reading to apply text-to-speech to your video. Make sure to check if the text is synchronized with the voice.
Want to learn how to add text-to-speech.
If you decide you don't want the text in your video, you can simply delete it. Right-click on the text and select Delete. Your video will then only have the text-to-speech without any visible text. And that's how you incorporate text-to-speech into your videos. If the video helped you in any way, please make sure to hit like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative tutorials.